Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make classic apple pie. It's very easy to make and so delicious, so let me show you how to make it. Firstly, I'm gonna peel and then cut my apples. You can cut them either in cubes or in slices. Our apples are nicely cut and it's time to add our spices. You will add your brown and white sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, and your flour. You mix this using a spoon until your apples are coated. Now you will set your apples to the side until we prepare our dough. In a food processor you will add your flour, sugar, salt, and you mix this until all your ingredients are combined. Now you will add your butter, and it's better if your butter is really cold and cut into cubes. This will help to incorporate faster. Mix until your butter is incorporated with the flour mixture. Now your butter is almost dissolved, so you will add a couple of tablespoons of water so the dough will be formed. As you can see, the dough is formed, and now you will put it onto a flour surface. I'm gonna flour my surface and then turn the dough on the counter. Now knead your dough a little bit with your hands. Now I will cut the dough in half, and I will leave the other half to decorate my pie on top later. Now make your half of the dough into a ball and you're gonna roll it out. Now take your pie tin and measure about your dough so it will be enough to cover the edges and the base of your tin. You can roll your dough on your rolling pin and then gently pull it up and put it directly into your tartine. Press with your hands to the edges and on the base of your tin. Now take that part of your finger and press it gently into the corners. Using a knife, cut the excess dough. Now pour your apples on top of your pie. Set the tin to the side until we cut our strips to do the top. Lightly flour your surface and start rolling out your dough. Using a knife, cut long strips. You will take your strips and add them on your pie. Now you will pull 2 of them backwards and add 1 to the other direction. And then pull them down again. Now you're gonna take the other 2 and put another line on the opposite direction. You're gonna repeat the process to the other side too. Now press the edges of the lines in your pie tin and remove the excess dough. You can also do a thin line to cover the round of your pie. Now you're gonna chill your pie for about 30 minutes and then brush the top of the dough with some milk and bake for 45 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Our apple pie just came out of the oven and it smells amazing. You can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching guys, hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.